Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2012 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light, trip odometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.